To remove the lamp, you need a flathead screwdriver. Press on this pin and pull the lamp out. Disconnect the plug by pressing this safety pin. I installed some LED lamps. Reconnect the plug and press it until it clicks. Place the lamp first on the left side and press it until it clicks. Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I will try to answer all of you.